Hello crafty friends, I'm Lubomira and thank you for stopping by my channel. I hope everyone had an amazing new year and these first few weeks of 2024 have treated you kindly. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I'm always looking for new crafty friends. Please make yourself at home and I invite you to check out more of my content. For my returning friends, I am so happy that you're here. You're always so appreciated and I am so grateful that you took the time out of your day to spend some crafty moments with me. Now that you're here, don't forget to like and subscribe. By hitting that little bell, you'll get notified every time I upload a new video and you won't miss out on any of that crafty goodness. Today's video is a little different because it's inspired by the new year. I wanted to open up a conversation for our new crafters that are just getting into card making. You've seen those beautiful pictures on Instagram and Pinterest. You have a favorite creator here on YouTube. You love everything you see, but where to start? Today I'm going to highlight a few supplies that can be a great option for those just starting off and not wanting to break the bank. The Dollar Tree is a good place to start if you're just getting into card making. It's been expanding its crafting section for some time now, and it offers some great supplies to get you started. Among the supplies, you can find a small assortment of clear stamps, lots of different stickers, and some rub-ons that are great for card making. For a new crafter, these supplies can get you started to see if you like the hobby before making a commitment. I'll be sharing a card using a combination of stamps and rub-ons from the Dollar Tree to create a cute Valentine's Day card. So let's get into the video. To start off, I picked out a greeting and cut it out of an assortment of rub-on words and transferred it to a piece of cardstock cut down slightly smaller than a standard A2 card. Now how this works is there's a plastic film you remove from the back of the rub-on and place it on a piece of paper facing up. Then you take a bone folder, a popsicle stick, or something similar and rub over the word completely with some pressure. The pressure and the motion will transfer the word onto your paper. You can slightly lift a corner without removing the rub-on to check if the image is transferring. If it has, then you can remove the leftover transfer paper, but if not, then just keep rubbing it until it does transfer. And for this card, I chose the phrase "love you" and transferred it onto a piece of cardstock. Next, I did some stamping. For the image, I chose a llama from one of the Dollar Tree sets and a heart in a speech bubble from another. I stamped the images in intense black ink onto the cardstock above my sentiment. Now, not all the supplies I use in this video are from the Dollar Tree, and these are just suggestions and helpful hints to get you on your way. One of the first tools I purchased when I started stamping was a stamping platform. I quickly discovered that getting a clean, crisp image could be difficult. It frustrated me trying to line up the images after stamping them once on my own and then restamping them to get clearer lines. With a platform, that frustration is non-existent, but platforms can be pricey. So I wanted to share a budget-friendly option. The one I'm using here is the We Are Memory Keepers Precision Press Advance. While most precision stamping tools run north of $50, I've seen this one as low as $25 on Amazon. This platform works on a peg system rather than the hinge. The base of the platform has pegs that a top plate slips over and then the user presses it down to stamp. The top plate has soft rubber feet that act as springs, so when you release the pressure, the plate rises slightly off the page, lifting the stamp. It's magnetic, so you can hold down projects with the magnets that come with it, and it has a grid on both pieces to help with measuring. It's a solid platform that gives nice results for a lower price. I chose to color my image with alcohol markers. I usually use Copics, however, they tend to run at a premium price, and again, someone just getting started may not want to invest in them. I was introduced to alcohol markers using the Spectrum Noir brand, and that's the one I'm showing here. I used the classic model when I started. However, the latest tri-blend models are really user-friendly and economic. Recently, I've seen packs of 24 markers for under $50 on Amazon. Now, while you are getting 24 markers, you're actually getting 72 colors in the pack. Each marker breaks down into 3 different shades of the same color, which you can blend. My only criticism of the pack is that it doesn't come with a colorless blender, which I think is an essential part of using alcohol markers. Other than that, it's a really nice set. Once my image was colored, I glued a piece of red cardstock to a white card base and attached my card front using some foam tape. Lastly, I added some Nuvo clear drops to the heart for an additional shine. And that's it for this card. So what do you think? What advice would you give to a new card maker? Are there any supplies that you would recommend? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video and the products I highlighted. If you did like my video, please like and subscribe if you haven't already. And don't forget to leave me those comments. I really love hearing from you. I hope to be back with another video really soon. Until then, have a wonderful day, and I hope life treats you kindly. Bye.